Good morning, children. Welcome to my channel, Shishi Thakur. Now, we'll discuss chapter 16, part 2. In this part, we'll discuss four stanzas from this chapter number 16. Ajaya Bhavishyati, he will remain undefeated. By mistake, twice I have told in the previous video, defeated. In place of defeated, you have to consider undefeated. He will remain undefeated. I mean, nobody can defeat him. And as I have told in previous video, we have to learn one quality from a lion, one quality from a crane, six quality from a dog. And according to Chanakya, if man learns small quality even from birds and animals, he will remain undefeated. I mean, his life will become successful. Okay, so let's start the part 2 of this chapter, and that chapter is clear. He will remain undefeated. Nobody can defeat him. Okay, so we'll take up fifth stanza today, fifth onwards. And this stanza speaks about Gadharva donkey, three qualities from a donkey. Avishrantam Bahed Bharam. Avishrantam Bahed Bharam. Avishrantam means restlessly. Avishrantam Bahed Bharam. One who carries the load restlessly. Shitosnam nam vindati. Shita usnam. Shita means cold, usnam means hot. Shita usnam na vindati. One who does not see the difference between Shita usna. Shita means cold, usna means heat. Na vindati. One who does not know the difference between cold and heat. Sasantosa, ever satisfied. He is ever satisfied. Nityam. Nityam means ever. Trini Shikshet Gadharvat. One should learn these three qualities from a donkey. Let me repeat. Avishrantam Bhayadbhara. What is the first quality of a donkey? Carries the load restlessly. I mean, he does not feel tiredness. First quality. Sitta Usnam Nam Indati. He does not know what is cold, what is heat. He does not know the difference between heat and cold. Okay? Cold and hot. Sasantoso, ever satisfied. He never feels I am dissatisfied or I am unhappy. Sasantoso, ever satisfied. Nitya means ever. Trini Shikshat Kadarpat. One should learn these three qualities from a donkey. See, when the donkey carries the load, his master leads him to different places that you must have seen. He restlessly keeps on working at a destination. He carries the load and reaches at the place, whether it is a cold season or hot season, he does not feel the difference. And whether his master gives food on time or not, he does not find also difference. He is satisfied. So we should learn this quality from a donkey. He carries the load restlessly, does not know what is cold and what hot is, does not know what cold and what is hot, what is cold and what is hot, and remain ever satisfied. These are the three qualities one should learn from a donkey. So here translation is given. You can pause the video, you see from here, or you read from the PDF. Okay. Now stanza number 6. गूढ़ ग्राह्यस्थ चातुर्यम काले चालय संग्रहम अप्रमाद मनालस्यम पंच शिक्षत बायसात. Bayasa means crow. We should learn Pancha means five qualities from a crow. Bayasa means crow. Gudha grahastha chaturyam. Gudha means privacy, secret. one who maintains privacy in his life. First quality. Grahastha Chaturyam. Grahastha means family life. Chaturyam means one who remains clever in maintaining family life. Grahastha Chaturyam. One who remains clever in maintaining family life. Grahastha means family. Chaturyam means clever. Kale on time. Chalaya Sangram. Chala means food. Sangram means collect. One who gathers food on time. Kale on time. Chalaya means food. Sangram means gathers. One who gathers food on time. Apramada. Apramada means never feels repentant. After committing some mistake, we generally feel, oh sorry, I have done this mistake, I have done that mistake. But he never feels repentant. Apramada. कभी पछताता नहीं. He never feels repentant. Analasya. Never becomes lazy. Analasya. Alasya means laziness. Analasya means never lazy. He never feels laziness. Pancha Shikshat Bayasat. One should learn these 5 qualities from a crow. Okay. What is the first quality? Gudha, who maintains privacy in his life. That is first quality. Grahastha Chaturyam becomes clever in family life, or he is clever in maintaining family life. That is quality 2. Second quality. Kale Chalaya Sangraham gathers his food, collects his food on time. That is third quality. Apramada remains. Apramada means he is free from repentance. I mean, he never feels repentance. I mean, never commits mistake, never he repents. Apramada never feels repentant. Fourth quality. Analasam, who is ever active, never feels laziness. So, one should learn these 5 qualities from a crab. Maintains privacy in his life, expert in maintaining family life, collects food on time, never feels repentance and becomes lazy. Never feels repentance and never becomes lazy. One should learn these 5 qualities. By mistake written 3 qualities. Children, consider here these 5 qualities. One should learn these 5 qualities from a crow. Okay. Bayasat Pancha. Here it is written Pancha, so 5 qualities. Okay. I repeat. One who maintains privacy in his life. One who remains clever in maintaining family life. Kale Chalaya Sangram. One who gathers food on time. Apramada. One who remains. One who is free from independence, or one who never feels repentance, never feels laziness. One should learn these 5 qualities from a crow. Okay. Now 7th stanza. Yuddham cha prataruthanam bhojanam sah bandhuvi striyam apadgatam rakshet chatu shikshat kukuttat. Here in this stanza we will talk about kukutta. Kukutta means cock. What are how many qualities we should learn from a cock? Chatu, 4 qualities. Let's learn what are those 4 qualities. Yuddham. Yuddha means ever ready to fight for right. I mean, when we have to get something and we have right, we have to fight for that. So, he is ever ready to fight. He is ever ready to fight for his right. This is the first quality. Prataruthanam, gets up early in the morning. Second quality. Bhojanam saha bandhuvi, he takes his food along with his family or relatives or friends. And he does not eat alone. Bhojanam saha bandhuvi, he takes his food along with his friends. Striyam apadgatam rakshet. Striyam means wife. When his wife is in trouble, apadgatam. When apadgatam means in trouble, rakshet he protects. He protects his wife when he is in trouble. Chatu shikshet kukutta. These 4 qualities we should learn from a kukutta, means hen or cock. male, male cock. I repeat, Yuddham, one who is ever ready to fight for his right. Pratarotthanam, gets up early in the morning. Bhojanam Sabandhubi, takes his food along with his family or friends. Striyam Apadgatam Rakshet, protect his wife when she is in trouble. These four qualities we should learn from a cock. Okay, here translation is shown in the video. You can read it out after putting the pause in the video, or you can read from the PDF. Okay, let's go to next stanza. That is the last stanza. This is the conclusion of this poem. The poem Chanakya says, if we seriously follow these 20 qualities, including all the quality of all the animals and birds, total qualities will be 20 if you count. Actually, it will be 20. So, what he says, Yaha etan vingsati gunan acharisati manava. Yaha manava, the man, Yaha manava, the man, one who, etan vingsati gunan, these 20 qualities, vingsati gunan, vingsati means 20. Acharisati will follow, will practice. The man who will practice these 20 qualities, how will practice 20 qualities? Karya avastha, so in practical life, not by saying only. Sarvasu, in all the practical life, Adeya Bhavishyati, he will remain undefeated. I mean, nobody can defeat him. I repeat the stanza. Yaha etan vingsati gunan acharishyati manava. Yaha manava, we have to relate yaha with manava. The man who etan vingsati gunan, these 20 qualities, acharishyati will practice. Karyavasthasu sarvasu, in all the practical life. The man who will practice all the 20 qualities in his real life, in his practical life, then he will remain undefeated. Ajaya Sabhavishyati, he will remain Ajaya, he will remain undefeated. I mean, nobody can defeat him. So he has given the conclusion in this last stanza. So here translation is shown. Then you can read from here, or else you can write from the PDF. Very simple lesson it is. Nothing is difficult. So still, if you have any queries, please contact me and write the translation. This is your homework. Write the translation in your notebook. If any query, please contact me in this contact details. And before you close this video, just subscribe to my channel and share it among your friends and like it. And if you have queries, please show me your doubts. Let me know. Write in the comment box. I will find out the solution of your doubts. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice time. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.